It's snowing though. It's snowing like a bitch. I'm about to put this bitch back into the driveway. I think I'd have had my funny motherfucker. Damn, I don't know how. The exhaust is crazy on this bitch, bro. This shit fun. Look at the donut, dude.
Money. Got so much hell star, I swear to God, these niggas need to sponsor me. Think these niggas running out of money, shit they gotta be. She tell me that she love me when I'm in it, bitch don't lie to me. I'm probably at that back door waiting for you, ain't no sign of me. It's about to be a chase, I hit that anyway, then I'm gone. Hurry up and come and shop, cause when I touch it, it be something. Bro was trying to slap him out, I told him wipe his mans now. Gotta keep my head on, no they want my head gone.
What's up, good?
10 in 1 week, this shit is serious. All my bitches know they eating dick while on they period. And my bitch told me stop fucking with me, but I ain't hearing it. It ain't no coming back, I cut her off, you know
I can't really do too much justice right now.
And never put my feelings in, little Brody got that rush. He tryna go and get a new her like bitches us. I'm unky, yeah.
Look at the snow, it just swollen.
We catch him, we gon' send him down. I look like this is
I'm sliding that whole Uno.
That money it'll say, you better put that bread up. Like, why you being weird to me? I hit her with my leg up. Her, he got hit
wait.
up.
Wait. Nigga, I'm back. Nigga, on my camera though. So I'm gonna go hit my cousin crib. I already have my shit. I was gonna hit my family yet, but I'm like, nah, bro. Y'all niggas fed a rub. Overfed. Like, y'all niggas overfed. I be like, wow, bro. Not doing that. But, shout out to my little cousin the camera and shit. I mean, I really don't know how to fucking do this little vlog and shit. I ain't gonna say little vlog and shit, but I really don't know, like, I saw the car content, what exactly the fuck am I recording, but I don't fucking know. On top of that, nigga, it's cold as dog shit, and tomorrow I got work. And because tomorrow I got work, I can't put my car in the storage tomorrow. Mind you, I just paid the storage bill too. Boy, when I tell y'all niggas I keep getting tickets, bro, at this point, bro, it's about to be damn near fuck the cops, nigga. Fuck the cops, fuck the tickets. So, that shit, it's actually blowing me, I gotta work till Saturday. So I gotta go to the storage on Sunday. It's supposed to be snowing. Like, I wanna slide my shit in the snow, but at the same time, I ain't trying to slide my shit in the salt, nigga. Like, I can't explain it exactly, but that's the idea. So, what else? I'm going to my cousin's house, nigga. It's cold as shit, and nigga, I'm not wearing black for once. As y'all see, nigga, I'm in motherfucking brown, nigga.
Oh my God!
I got black on though. I'm in brown. I thought about wearing, either it was gonna be like light brown hat, dark brown hat, or black. Like, shit, I'm gonna go with light brown. I really didn't get y'all boys a cool little fit, chick, or whatever. But I guess we can get that bitch with like, when I get to my cousin. Like, I don't know. Now I'm contemplating like glasses on, glasses off. So let me show y'all the boom. We put these bitches on, or we can put Prada shades on. But the only thing about the Prada shades is nigga, they dark as dog shit. Like, niggas be asking, why you got shades on inside? Inside, nigga, cause I have to, nigga, I have to. Damn, nigga, damn. They be asking questions that be like, just ask me my fade is, so I can just give you the answer like no. So you can think I'm crazy. Like, on top of that, nigga, I ain't gonna lie. It's a nice ass fucking, it's a nice ass, like, look at the view, my nigga. This shit legendary. This the shit niggas die for. Boom. Oh my God, nigga. Camera not doing justice. Yeah, so that's the plan right now. We do got some questions though. We got some questions. We gonna answer them bitches like, probably gonna wait till my cousin in the car. See what's going on. Answer that shit as a family head and stuff. It's just like, I don't wanna do that shit right now. I'll wait till later on. Until then, I hope y'all boys having a great Thanksgiving. Real shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, some niggas don't got family, bro. It's horrible, you know what I'm saying? One Thanksgiving, bro, my mom decided not to cook. Also, just, I don't even know shit, bro. And boy, when I tell you, it made me really think like, damn, there's niggas out here that don't eat, niggas. Shit crazy. On top of that, there's niggas out here that can't cook. You know what I'm saying? Like, all the memes about, yeah, niggas that, they raisins and mac and cheese, this and that, all that little trifling shit. Like, some people really just don't know about black dudes cooking. It's like so sad. It's so sad. I don't wish it on nobody. Like, if I was WT, that's crazy. Like, bro, I wouldn't even be able to experience black people. I'd be like, what the fuck, nigga? So, yeah, that shit crazy to me. But hope y'all boys having a great one. Y'all girls, boys, whoever watching, hope y'all boys having a great one. Real shit. And I'm gonna catch y'all niggas when I get my little cousin, cause that nigga a little fucking cool. Like, the nigga funny as hell, so I'll get back with y'all boys when I get
going?
Ooh, shut up. This nigga talking crazy, yeah. He talking crazy again.
I look busy. What am I mother? What am I mother? Don't do that, nigga.
Show you what's up right now. Let's go see a little better right now, bro.
Nigga, I don't do that, nigga.
Hey, bro. You not like that, bro.
Whoa, now. Damn, my focus not focusing. I don't know if because my camera. Boom. I don't know why it's not
Man, you
focusing.
keep LARPing, bro.
Boom. The lighting should be good, though.
Man, are you?
All right. The first question is this, bro. What's some good goons?
What you mean?
Look.
Y'all know.
No, you gotta get in the camera, bro. What's some good goons, bro?
Damn, 12 out of brick. You green.
Huh?
What's some good goons? I don't know what that means. That's why I'm asking you.
Bro, you know what that means.
What are some good goons? He not even about to answer it.
Alright.
Ryan, go off.
Oh.
Some good goons are crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you.
No. Yeah.
I wouldn't know about that one, my brother. You really got nothing to say? You don't got no good goons?
What do not know goons?
Gooner. Hall of Fame Gooner. Him.
So?
Nigga, what? I bet. Whisper all the things.
Yeah,
I do.
I don't know what he talking about. Next one is, bro. They asked do it clap.
He said we ain't gonna hear nothing. Just take the mic with you. Yo, ass.
Hell yeah.
No. Okay.
This nigga gay.
Ow!
Do you love,
You act like you gotta whisper some crazy.
that's gay.
How?
Answering that. Do it
That's
clap.
the truth. You gonna truthfully go tell him whatever you wanna do.
You want another card?
That's crazy.
Just go ahead.
That is. Like, change the exposure to darker.
You want a darker exposure?
You
But he
ready
already-
to say.
Yeah. No, freaking I'm not.
Alright.
Would you like to let us know what you said?
Next question?
Okay then.
Next question is, bro.
You like that?
Are you single, bro?
How did this go?
I'm not single.
Are you single?
Alright, go ahead and slide.
First of all, you answer first.
What you think?
Five.
I think not.
What?
Right, okay.
Me?
Ooh, it's
You know what I'm saying? She was trying to slide in my DM.
Shit, what did you just say?
Shit. Troop it up.
Yeah, know what I'm
You
saying?
would dare me, Danny.
JJ underscore Blaze.
Gonna come off the top.
Side
That's a
hand.
crazy gamer tag.
Hell no, read my
It's not.
card, bro. Yo.
Wait.
Wait, we can't spice it up. Let's spice it up real quick.
Nigga gamer tag is
What you
JJ
gonna say,
underscore
though?
Glaze.
I think
That's crazy.
Alright, let me know.
What's up?
Clips. Oh my god.
I don't know. I feel like you gonna come up with something.
Or did you just
Bro, this
want
is
What y'all think,
alcohol.
bro?
I feel that.
Tastes like alcohol.
Well, you know what alcohol
Yeah,
tastes like.
like how do what you want to do? Bite the burger.
You 15.
Your parents never let you
Nah, you said burger.
try alcohol when you was a kid?
Alright, then you flip it out over there. Just vibe, just
I
vibe.
just time.
Alright.
You chop, bro. Oh my gosh.
Thanks, bro. Every 5 minutes I'm reminded how chopped I am. Thank you.
Next question.
Just vibe.
Are you thankful for light-skinned women?
I dare you.
Are you thankful for light-skinned women?
Of course. All my light skinned queens. All my beautiful light skinned queens. You can go ahead and holla at me. You know
My nigga.
what I'm saying?
I love black
My
women, period.
gram always open.
Now, listen,
Black woman,
listen
period.
inside, listen inside. Y'all both
You
get
gotta have
it,
a good personality, though. If you got a good personality, you're not gonna match with me, man.
No, you get it right,
Uh-huh.
bro. You know you wrong.
Evil like that.
Taking it down, bro. Pick it
Even
up.
though we evil,
Like, oh, go.
you still bad.
Come on, you know how to do that.
Indeed.
Yo,
He said, indeed. What up, bro? It's a season thing, so are you thankful for your ex? You got an ex-girlfriend?
Yeah.
I think you could
It's a
really do
season.
it, though. Really?
It's a season for thanks, so are you thankful for her?
I'm a W man. I wouldn't even
I ain't that strong.
I wouldn't even say
He
it
know
like
I'm not
I ain't
that
lying, no.
Try it, bro. If you try it,
Nah,
I'm
not
gonna
really.
bring you
Through why?
No, just stop the touch.
Still don't why?
No, he can't like.
Don't say it like. Don't
It was
say
just, she was just toxic.
About to touch this
Y'all
thing.
ever say don't say it like.
I don't like the energy.
I could.
I think
I don't
you
like
would
toxic
check,
energy.
man. What y'all think?
Nigga, you're toxic.
Bro, I could, bro.
I'm talking to you because you're
Yeah,
chopped.
bro. Try it, bro. I say try it.
This nigga be telling me so crazy to me. For a 15-year-old,
Please change the audio.
You got it in me. You ain't got it in me right now.
You think I
this
can?
nigga.
Ew, dear.
You think I
I ain't gonna lie.
This is tough.
Thanksgiving wasn't bad for real.
Bro, it wasn't like too much, but it wasn't
too less.
perfect.
It wasn't too less. Wasn't too
Had
much.
the right amount of food. Got to hang out with my cousin, to be honest.
Only one of me.
You got to take the girls out.
One man army.
I take my
And I'm not wearing black.
Hang out with my worst looking cousin.
He can't do it.
So yeah.
This fucking guy.
That's it.
On top of that, I'm wearing brown, bro. This is a first.
I ain't gonna lie, it's getting
Yeah, bro. After you wear that brown, go ahead and hang it up.
It's getting there. Well, I think you can.
Your dress can't shake like mine.
How you gonna do it in the bed? I don't know.
Twin, I don't be got. Twin, you ain't gotta beat that shit.
I know I look good too.
Yo, you gotta lay that shit. You gotta
Y'all think this nigga act like me? Do y'all,
My next lady,
niggas that know me, do y'all think this nigga act like me, bro?
Kaden.
That's all I want to know.
Why would I act like him? Look at him.
You the last girl.
Oh, wow.
Girls almost at the finish line.
Next question.
You know what I'm saying? If you roll something nice, you can take
Yeah.
LARPing is basically when you taking photos on like Pinterest and putting it and then claiming it as your own.
What? That's plate.
She does.
Hey.
She does.
I ain't hit you there.
He back here.
We still playing.
So I thought, good boy. Anyways,
We're there. I feel like
I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm gonna see y'all in the next stream.
Really?
We made $3 today. Let me show y'all my
Nigga was on TikTok.
TikTok shop. We
Earlier.
made $3.
Nigga made $3
You know what I'm
bacon. Like a beggar.
$3. See that?
Alright,
See
this
that?
one says sit on his lap
$3.
Like a beggar.
for the next.
So
Nigga macking on camera.
Dice roll.
you saw I was twerking on camera.
I mean,
Hey, bro.
It's no, not like that.
I don't do that
Let's say to the
freaking
next
shit, bro.
round, but I'm just able to like the next dice roll. I feel like
I'm like mad.
Y'all can't tell me this on the slap.
I'm like fine.
Come on, this is a dice roll. You, like,
You haven't even opened your drink yet.
I don't need to just yet.
Pay another card, bro.
Yeah, YouTube.
I really put the nigga on.
Have somebody sitting on your lap. I want to be number 2.
You posted it?
Life, nigga.
You did not put me on the
That's
live.
another there. Ready?
Didn't post it, by the way.
You can really clutch it
Yeah,
out for
like,
real.
oh, and there's.
You think you
But I don't know. I don't know Jerry's too. I don't know Leo.
This nigga getting in
I don't know
trouble.
that Dylan dude. I don't know Zeezy. You said what? So I thought. Go down.
Nigga getting in trouble.
definitely didn't clutch it out. But
Sosa,
He
I don't
getting
know
horse
who that
right now.
is. I know who Lando is, and that's it. So your legs?
Press. He getting pressed.
You can impress.
Or I'm gonna let him say it, and you go say it.
just gonna follow me. It's on site.
Bro, that's because everybody's thinking.
Good spill.
Alright,
I'm really just sitting here, chilling,
go with something.
eating my chips, enjoying it.
I dare you.
Real, like, Thanksgiving was really, like, in the middle, bro.
Two.
Like, wasn't too much, wasn't too less. It's cool.
What you
I give it, like,
Yeah, you can't even get that. You can barely get a. Grab a card.
7 out of 10.
Yeah, grab a card.
7 out of 10 for real.
They want me to grab that card so bad.
Thumbnail.
Let's see. Alright, I guess it's a dare. I don't know. What's your favorite fantasy?
Alright, I'm done in that. But yeah, I ain't really got too much to record, but like, she was cool. I've been trolling this nigga all day. You're not busting nigga ass in the chest. I wish y'all boys would've seen it. But of course, nigga, my camera was in the car. Bust his ass. He can't foot me.
Right. Like, I'm confused.
But
I dare you let him choke you out. No, I'm trying to like. Y'all seen this nigga face? Alright,
Alright.
I dare you.
that's in the video though. Hope y'all boys had a great one. Hope y'all spent with y'all loved ones. Hope everything went perfectly fine. Have a blessed one. Boys and girls. And yeah, shit. I'm gonna catch y'all niggas in the next one. You know, if this something y'all fuck with, cool. Hey, December though,
Yeah, I definitely have
coming 30 days straight. I swear to God. Boom. Not gonna miss a day. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna record, but not gonna miss a day. Simple as that.
1 week later.
Alright, chat, we look. It's a winter wonderland outside. It's 3 in the morning, and we about to go hit some donuts in the beam. And I just undusted everything. Bro, it's 3, and I don't have nothing. Damn. I don't really have nothing to really. Damn, make a follow. Bro, it's like, look how deep the snow is. It's the same video though. Look how deep the snow is, y'all. I can't really do too much justice right now. Just know, I'm dusting my feet off. Ugh. I'm dusting my feet off. Ugh. Y'all, alright, so look. We got 69 miles. No weary jump. We about to go do some donuts, nigga. We about to go do some donuts, nigga. So boom, that's the goal right now. It's 3 Y'all can see, look. 3:31. Michigan Eastern Time. But I'm not really taking on saltways. I don't know how warm the car is, but it ain't too warm. But mind you, this bitch is all-wheel drive, so it's just eating through the snow. So like, this doesn't mean anything at all. Like, I just want to see what it's gonna do with traction control off. So if it's really gonna start sliding, we're gonna find out tonight. And we had a great fucking night tonight. It's plenty of fucking snow in my car. I don't like that at all. Here we go. Here we go. B&W Proms. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving though. Nigga, I'm doing like 40 through the snow. It's eating. It's literally eating this shit up. What the fuck? I can't wait to do donuts though. I don't know. Ian said that I'm gonna fucking eat a curb. I hope not, because it says all-wheel drive. But my idea is this. Excuse me. My idea is like, boom, if I turn traction, let me turn it all off, right? If I turn traction control off and everything off, completely off, maybe I'll start sliding. I'm not gonna do it on streetways, but I'll do it in the open like parking lot. I don't know. Because traction control is off, so like all 4 tires should not be sliding. But I'm about to find out. Like, I really truly want to find out. So it's my only way. Oh, it was wrong. Excuse me. Ian was wrong. Nigga, I just killed that fucking corner. Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait to record. Oh, bro, it's a winter wonderland, bruh. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. All-wheel drive don't mean shit. Look though. Oh, I don't know how good the video is. No. The video ain't too good. I ain't gonna lie, the video not too good. Oh, no, that part's cold. That car cold. I'm not gonna lie, we got the camera set up. Boom. Look, y'all niggas better look. I'm gonna hurry to slide this bitch real quick though. Real quick. Hold up. Look at the bro. Look how I parked the bitch. That's crazy, right? Zon, Dom, all y'all niggas. Y'all can't say shit. I slid my shit in the parking lot. Ian, you can't say shit. Bitch, I slid my shit all-wheel drive. And, nigga, we still got the fit on. You know what I'm saying? It's snowing, though. It's snowing like a bitch. I'm about to put this bitch back into the driveway. I think I done had my fun. I don't know how else to end the video. Like, bro, I'm in the winter wonderland right now. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is really crazy. Like, look at the whip. Damn, I got a motherfucking snow thing in my hand. Look at the whip though. We kept it real P around that motherfucker. Damn, I don't know how. The exhaust is crazy on this bitch, bro. This shit fun. Look at the donut, dude. Damn. Excuse me, y'all. I'm sick as fuck. I'm sick as fuck. Not sick as fuck, but this shit fun. Nigga said I couldn't slide an all-wheel drive. Bitch, I can slide regardless. Nigga talking crazy. Nigga, I still slid that bitch. Suck my dick, nigga. Now, next day, I park my daily on the street. So, hopefully, next day, nobody mac my shit. I really, truly hope nobody max my shit. But if they do, it's God's plan. Until then, I'm gonna let y'all see firsthand me sliding it, hoe. Hold on, wait. I don't know if I can slide one hand. Look at the snow, it's just falling. Look. I'm sliding that whole one. Uno! Oh, wait. We might back pole. We might back pole. Ian said I couldn't slide my shit. Oh, if I put my shit in sport, watch this. I'm about to get this shit for real. Oh, I almost hit pole. Oh yeah, I'm getting that B. Oh, wait. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I couldn't get around that pole. It's different rear-wheel drive. Look at it though. Oh my God. This shit sound like a fucking dog, nigga. Oh, it's a deer in the woods. Y'all missed it. Look, it's a deer in the woods. Or is that a deer? Oh God, that's a deer. We got one battery. So fuck with me. I might bend this corner like Vin Diesel. Oh wait, Ian might be right. I might back the corner. No, I'm not. Ian wrong. Eyeballs wrong. I ain't gonna lie, I'm killing shit. Oh. I'm killing shit. I got one battery. This how I'm ending the vlog, nigga. Y'all boys go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, bro. I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. Ooh, shit. Oh yeah, I'm killing it. Ooh, kill him, Terrio. Ooh, kill him. Oh, I killed the corner. I just bent the corner. And mind you, it's people trying to sleep. You got people like me with my exhaust just going crazy in the motherfucking. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna fuck with y'all boys. It's the end of the video. I knew I could slide my shit. For all niggas saying you can't slide your all-wheel drive car in the snow, yes you can. Stop being a little scary little bitch. Nigga, turn your motherfucking traction control off. Traction control off. Turn your traction control off. And get in the field, nigga. Stop being scared, nigga. All because somebody said you can't do something don't mean you can't do it, nigga. On my all-wheel drive beams, you can do what you want, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey, have a good night, though. Y'all have a good night.
Yeah. EBO, nigga.
Low end, don't stop.
Mayo. Yeah. Hey, my mama say I ain't got no sense. Dropping lines in my cup cost your whole rent. 800 for my shoes, 7 times your whole fit. I just hit her, never conversate, but that ain't my old bitch. Ain't never wrote a statement, no my niggas never told shit.